does the beard feel?
The beard's been looking much better, soft, very soft.
Welcome everybody to the Scent Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today we've got Kelly, our scent expert, as we get online here and we're looking up the Black Rebel Beard Company. When you get on the site, you're met with a few very nice displayed graphics here. We've got the limited monthly scent. We've got a beard kit combo right here in the middle, and then we've got some scents that are no longer going to be with us anymore, and you may be able to get them on a discount. All right, let's look at their beard products. They offer like the 2 oil pack, the 2 butter pack, and as we scroll down, we have all the different scents over here as the oils. We're going to go ahead and pick the Hendrix. That's going to be the Voodoo Sauce Cologne. And if we head down to the Add to Cart section, you have a list of different combos you can get this scent in. We're going to pick them all right here at the bottom, and it's about $82.50. Let's add it to cart, let's get it, and check it out.
Oh wow, look at these Broncos. Whoever owns these must be cool.
Oh, these are our Broncos. Pretty cool, huh, ladies?
Oh, look at those beards. They're so gross.
Dudes, your game is weak and your beards are lame. But I got some Black Rebel beard oil and beard butters. This is gonna soften up that beard and hopefully make you smell a little better too. Let's throw some in there and see what happens.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, it's soft too. I love it.
Looks like my work here is done. Jimmy, you're up. Take the stage.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do like the Star Spangled Banner.
Jimmy's cracking out there. Hit him with the voodoo sauce.
Black currant on cedar tobacco mixed in with the voodoo.
We're out here in the lab taking a look at ingredients. We've got a 75% ostrich to a 25% premium blend. That premium blend is going to have a bunch of oils, some emu oil in there, along with some extracts. Now when we're looking at the washes and the conditioner, these are going to be like water-based, but you're still going to have emu oils in there, a bunch of other oils and extracts in the wash and the conditioner.
It's mail call. We got the kit right here. It comes with a few stickers and a nice keychain I've used to open a few pop cans. The beard butter is not greasy and it's filled to the brim. The 2-tone beard oil bottle is a nice touch as well. We're going to do a quick viscosity test. You can see the beard wash right now, slightly cloudy, the conditioner a little brighter white, and the beard oil goes right to the bottom. It's a light to medium viscosity. Beard butter melts nice and easy in the hands, and it does not leave the greasy residue. Spraying on clear, we've got the cologne and that nice smelling shot glass.
We're back from all of that, and we've got the products right here. I have them applied in my beard, and I've freshly sprayed this cologne. Let's do the test that really matters. Pitching.
Smell romantic, elegant, gentleman.
Those kind of like date night romantic tones from this. It's very sweet.
And deep, like sweet and deep. How is the quality of the product beside the scent?
The quality is good. I like this beard oil. I think the infeel of the beard felt great, like when it was in my beard. Same with the butter. I've actually used the butter a lot more.
Are they like really oily feeling or just perfect?
No, you're not getting a super greasy feel to it. Like I'll put oil in the beard and butter in the beard and really grease it up. And then I just kind of take a little towel and dab it off of the extra skin. But this really absorbs into the beard and that skin underneath the beard. So it doesn't stay oily or greasy. It doesn't even give off a greasy feel. The cologne was nice. Quick spritz, you know, if something you just want to throw a nice scent on. The cologne is a cool touch. I really enjoy this butter. It's got a really slick, smooth texture to it.
Kind of shiny stickers.
Yeah, they do a really good job on the graphics and the labels. I really like it. They kind of got like some rock star roots going on there with the Hendrix, the Cash, the Wayland. Maybe they've had a few others. Let me know in the comments down below.
Ooh, I really like the feeling of the butter. I mean, can I put it on my skin?
you can.
It melts right away and feels so good and it's so soft.
That's what I like about this butter is
Mm.
you grab it out and it's like instantly turning into the oils. And when you put I'll take it in butter form, put it in the beard, and it just like soaks in, melts in.
It's not greasy and it doesn't feel like wax. Some of the part
Please
feel
let
like
me
wax.
smell you.
Right, I can use
See,
it.
it's a really nice scent. We got a bunch of samples.
You actually like the Megalodon a little more than this.
I kind of jumped the gun on buying this scent for the whole combo kit. But they do have a lot of really nice other scents. A little on the cologne side, but all of them have their own unique touch to them. Wow, you're putting that everywhere.
Yeah,
It's
I
pretty
can
good.
use a lot of it. It feel good.
Right.
It's just really dehydrated recently.
What do you want? You want some of the oil?
You just want to drink it. I will use it too.
That's going to wrap this video up. If you liked it, you like it, subscribe, whatever. You already know how YouTube works. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.